Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today I am going to be playing Flappy Wings, or it's called, let me do it. I'm probably not going to be, it's called Lion Birds. So I'm not going to be talking, there's going to be no music, but I'm just going to play it again. So, the reason I can't talk is because I need to concentrate, so let's play. Let's do very easy. God, you can't hit the... There you go. Okay. I'm gonna try to get to 111.
You've class in your lungs. How are you alive right now? Can I stick stuff in you and make you feel better? I'm gonna
Dang it.
in your lungs. How do you feel about that? That seems like a good idea. There we go.
No. Crap. This game isn't that good. Well, it's good, but like, you know, it's not. It's not the easiest. And it's not the funnest. Can we go down here? Nope. We try it. No. No. Nope. Not dying on me. Wow. Wow. What? Why the heck would there be a plane here? Go. 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 No. Go. 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 Whoosh. How do you finish a level? Can you not? This is the highest I've gotten in this game. Well, not the highest yet, but still. Come on! I wanted to get it. I wanted to get it. I'm actually uploading a video right now. Yeah, 1,000 guys. See if I can get how many subscribers I have. Okay, I got how many subscribers I have. Okay, that's in the future. If I get 1,000,000, that's probably not in the future. Ooh. God, can't get that. That last one. Okay, I want to get it. See, if we get 3,000, then I'm ending the video because that's basically the whole thing done. So okay, I need to get 500 more, and then I'm gonna end the video because I've gotten so many. And I'm sorry that these videos are short. I just wanted to make the gameplays a little short, so then they'll be easier to upload, and they'll be easier for you guys to watch, and for me to have fun playing them. And daily vlogs, if you didn't know, are actually back. I don't know what score I'm kind of scared to check, but daily vlogs are back. That's the thing that I want to tell, that daily vlogs are back, and I'm excited to do more. Oh, we got 900? Dang. Okay, so that is a pretty fun game. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this game. If you liked it, punch the like button in the face, and I'll leave a link into the description if you wanna play it. Well, I'll have to check first, but if you wanna play it online, I'll show you it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.